Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to make a rechargeable wireless mouse. So I have a Dell wireless mouse which I'll be converting it to a rechargeable cell. So this is a battery which it uses and you have to always buy a new one. So it uses a 1.4 volt battery. So I'll be using a Lipo cell, a TP406 module and a USB extender. So these are the three modules you'll require. So and this is a 1.5 volt converter from 3.7 because this mouse uses only one cell which is of 1.5 volt. So I have another video where I have made this 1.5 volt converter, so you can follow that. So I'm connecting the wires required for different connections. Okay, and these are the input and output of the 3.5 volt 3.7 volt converter. Okay, so I'm soldering it to the lithium charging module. So this simple, like just you have to follow the connections how it works. And the main challenge here is like how do you fit this component inside the mouse. Okay, so I'll be measuring the voltages and current over in this circuit. Okay, because this is very important, like it only uses 1.5 volts, so you have to use this converter. Okay, now I will measure the voltage. Okay, because this cell is 3.7 volts, so you have to convert it to 1.5 volt to make it work. Okay, so you see we have close around 1.4 volts. Okay, now I'm connecting those wires inside the mouse. Like you have to follow the batteries connection, like where it is positive and negative, and that's it. You will be able to make the connection. Okay, and next you have to fit all these components inside it. So this USB extender I will put it with a screw. So for this I am marking those points, screw points. So this is very easy. You can use a solder or any other tools to drill and then socket or make it non-movable with screws. So I'm marking it. Okay, now I'm drilling a hole with my solder iron. Okay, you can use any other drills or any other techniques to use it. Okay, now I will put over the screws. Before that I will solder the USB extender with positive and negative and then connect it to the TP406 module. Okay, so let me put it. Okay, so I am again soldering it, and as you can see, so you have to follow this circuit. I'll share the circuit diagram also for how it works. Okay, and now I'm seeing like whether the circuit is proper. As you can see, the red light glows up. So now let's set up or plug in this USB extender inside the mouse component. Okay, you can use this nose plier. Okay, to put it, because it will be very difficult with the hand, but yeah, with nose plier it is very easy. Okay, now I put it and I will screw it with these bolts. Okay, so now this part is done. Now let's me again assemble it. Okay, and see like all the connections are okay and it is working fine. So okay, as you can see, we turn on off the switch, the red light is blinking, so like the power supply is fine for this mouse. Okay, now we'll fit in all the components over here. This is like, since the space is small, you have to work a little bit like how you can fit it, but yeah, ultimately you will be able to do this. Okay, or you can check how I am doing it. And okay, you see the mouse is blinking. So we'll have a live demo also, like with this mouse. I'll be connecting this mouse with my laptop and I'll see. Okay, so this is the extender part which you have to plug into your laptop. Okay, and after that I'll keep a demo. So I pay a mouse, see the cursor is moving. So that's it, you have made a successful rechargeable mouse, and this gets rid of all the batteries which you have to buy. It's one time, every time you have to recharge your mouse and you can use it, so you get rid of the battery. So this is very useful and this is innovative also. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.